Imagine a dimly lit room, bathed in the soft glow of neon lights. The colors dance and pulsate, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. Have you ever wondered if those vibrant neon lights come with a hefty price tag? Are they just a luxury item for businesses, or can you bring this neon magic into your own home? Let's dive in and find out. Neon lights were first developed in the late 19th century, and their bright, eye-catching glow quickly captured the imagination of people around the world. Initially, they were primarily used for advertising purposes, but as technology advanced, neon lights became more accessible and versatile. The cost of neon lights, breaking it down. The cost of neon lights can vary significantly depending on several factors, including size and complexity. Larger and more intricate designs will naturally be more expensive. Neon gas. Different gases produce different colors, and some gases may be more costly than others. Customization. Custom designs or special effects can also increase the price. Manufacturer. The reputation and experience of the manufacturer can influence the cost. Affordable neon light options. While custom neon lights may be out of reach for some budgets, there are several affordable options available. LED neon flex. This flexible strip lighting is a popular alternative to traditional neon lights. It offers a similar look and feel at a fraction of the cost. Neon signs. Pre-made neon signs are often available at a lower price point than custom designs. DIY neon kits. For those who enjoy crafting, DIY neon kits can be a fun and cost-effective way to create your own neon lights. Neon lights, more than just a trend. Neon lights are more than just a decorative element. They can also create a unique ambience and enhance the overall atmosphere of a space. Whether you're looking to add a touch of retro style to your home or create a vibrant atmosphere for your business, neon lights can be a great investment. So, do you have to pay for neon lights? The answer is both yes and no. While custom neon lights can be expensive, there are many affordable options available to suit different budgets and preferences. Whether you choose traditional neon lights or opt for more modern alternatives, neon lighting can add a touch of magic to any space. Ready to light up your world with neon? Explore the endless possibilities and find the perfect neon lighting solution for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your neon light experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep the neon glowing.